Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. It is a huge pleasure for me to be here this evening for the culmination of the Pitch 200 competition. Pitch 200 is an engineering competition with a difference. We have 13 finalists from across the UK and from around the world, from the international regions of the ICE, who will present their chosen subjects or concepts in the most creative way possible.
What I've got in front of me are two examples of pavements, one of a good and one of a poor one. And hopefully to demonstrate that now, you can see the good pavement has barely moved. And that's what's happened to the poor one.
A lot of people, the general public, don't know enough about civil engineering. We all take things for granted. I think it's been a great way of explaining to the public, what people are doing and how it's all working.
Now, the roof is being held in position thanks to this cable pulling the ends in. Nothing to do with the weight of the concrete pulling down.
It turns out that concrete and rocky road are two similar substances. They're both composite materials.
I think Pitch 200 is a fantastic opportunity for the engineering community to find some people to get out there and to really enthuse the public and to let the public understand why engineering is quite as important as it is.
Today, I'm going to be presenting about a revolutionary concept, plastic roads.
Civil engineering is to use the natural resources to solve problems for the benefit of mankind.
Yes. The winner of the entire competition, representing J. Murphy & Sons and the Midlands. Well done, Imogen Graves.
So my pitch is all about waste reduction in demolition.
And that is how we used to demolish a building.
So it's looking at the different ways that we can demolish a building that can reduce the amount of materials that we have to send to landfill. So it's basically making demolition a bit more sustainable.
Before deconstructing and demolishing this structure, I prepared a demolition sequence, which is a type of design for how I'm going to demolish the structure.
Pitch 200 is a brilliant opportunity for people to kind of get up and say, actually, yeah, this is what I do as an engineer, and this is it in a nice bite-sized chunk for anyone to understand.
I think one of the most important things that we as a community of scientists and engineers have to do at the moment is to explain to everybody just why engineering, science, maths, all the STEM subjects, why they're important. Partly that's so that we can encourage more people to come into the careers that are associated with engineering and what have you. But also we need to just get the profile of engineering up. A lot of people just have no idea what engineers do. If we can encourage people to see the importance of engineering, then, job done.